We are officially going to put our foot down today. Alright guys, we survived. Last night it's pretty windy, but it was fun. But right now, we're gonna cook up some breakfast. Check this out. So we're cooking up some Pop-Tarts on the campfire. But I think our plans have changed again.
When does anything ever just go as according to plan? Never. But it's always funner that way.
So I'm in the smoke. But I think we're gonna pack up. We were gonna go explore everything. But I think we're gonna pack up and just get out of this. It's been some bad vibes here. We've had some bad luck. So luckily none of these trees fell on us. But we're gonna pack up and then we're gonna go to Mother Earth News Fair instead of hiking this morning. Check that out. Hopefully meet a lot of people and then go get a new campsite and start fresh. So we're gonna eat these Pop-Tarts and go on with our day. You ever had Pop-Tarts over an open flame?
I have not.
You take a bite and see?
Gotta blow off all the ash first. That's the key.
Think it's be better than a toaster?
Probably. Oh yeah. It's nice and melty inside.
Why don't you tell our viewers how much we got these Pop-Tarts for?
So, we were at Walmart. They had the Dollar General Pop-Tarts.
How's it Dollar General at Walmart?
I mean the Great Value. They had the Great Value 6 packs for $1. Right next to it, they had the Great Value 16 packs for $1. So you can guess which one we chose. And we were buying ketchup, and they had the small, medium, and large sizes for $1. So we just got the big one. Why would you not buy the big one if they're all $1? People are crazy.
That's why I married her. She's the bargain queen. That's why my mom approves. So I'm gonna try one of my campfire
They're
Pop-Tarts.
nice and toasty. Way better than the toaster oven. And they got that campfire taste.
They got that nice smoke flavor to it. Jared's always talking about. This might be our new grilling staple right here. Look at that. The char marks on the bottom.
You guys thought Jared was the grill master?
Nah, we are in North Carolina grilling up some Pop-Tarts over an open flame. So we're gonna eat these, pack up, and get on the road. Alright, so we packed up, and look, leave it the way you found it. Leave it better. If someone left a mess, clean it up. But guess what? Our tent was right over there on that square pad. But with all the trees falling and wind blowing, look at that tree. If that would have fell, it would have fell right on our tent. So we moved it right here last night before we went to bed. And I don't know, it's pretty crazy. It was windy, the top of our tent blew off, but we made it. This was a really cool place. We highly recommend it. They just had some downfalls with the trees, and sounded like some bad guests coming in and complaining a lot, from what I heard. But Jaylena is picking up some pine cones and stuff, and then we're gonna be out of here.
I'm planning on maybe making some jewelry with like these and the pine cones out of like resin and wood and stuff like that. So North Carolina jewelry from the Crocker Homestead. So we are officially heading out. This place is really cool. I would definitely like to come back here, especially in the summer, because they have a really cool swimming area.
They do. It's like a beach area,
which they call it the beach. But I mean, right now we're kind of disappointed we didn't get to hike and stuff, but we have a lot to do, and we want to make it early to the news fair, get some coffee, because we haven't had our coffee the past few days.
Yes, need it. But guys, check this out. Like, check this out.
It's just so beautiful out here, and the trees are so tall. Any last words?
Yes. Hopefully tomorrow or today, when we get a new campsite, trees don't fall on us, we get a good spot, maybe get some electricity. So we're charging all the stuff up in here in the truck right now on the way to the news fair. But we had a lot of downfalls, but I'm not gonna complain about them because this trip's awesome so far. I'm super excited about all this, and meeting everyone yesterday at the meetup was just super cool, and that outweighs anything that has happened that was bad. So I'm ready to see what today brings.
Yeah, and you guys, you know, we always say to find the best in any situation, because you can find something negative in every situation, but you can always find something positive in any situation too. So just find something to be positive about. We'll start the day off with that.
Oh my God.
Alright guys, we made it to Mother Earth News Fair.
Now that I have my coffee, I can actually function.
So let's go check this place out.
So this is green chili and cheese. Grits. It's good. And then granola. Nice to pair with coffee. Yes, that's really good.
We are officially going to put our foot down today and not move around, stay put in this. We're camping somewhere in North Carolina.
Close to Chimney Rock and Lake Lure,
Yeah.
where Dirty Dancing was filmed.
And Last of the Mohicans. So we are going to set our camp up, and we got a really cool spot. Watch this. That's everyone else down there, and then people over there, and then we get this little cove.
We on our own.
So we're gonna set this up real quick, our tent and all that, and then we're gonna go explore. So if you're watching this a day late because we don't have good Wi-Fi here, so pardon me, but we're in the middle of the mountains and we're enjoying this. So let's go set this up. So we got our tent set up, but before we go explore and stuff, we're gonna collect some firewood and try to get that prepared because I'm not 100% sure when it gets dark here. So let's go collect some small twigs and stuff. We bought some wood the other day, so let's go collect some free wood. putting Jaylena to work. She ain't on vacation. This is a work trip. But guys, isn't this like the coolest spot? We have all by ourselves. We have this whole wall right here. And then trucks over there, tents over here. We get this side. I think we lucked out. They had a few spots, but they have some other spots over by the river we'll show you in a little bit, which are really cool. I mean, it is right on the river, and it probably, you'd go to sleep with that noise, but
We wanted to be a little more secluded.
yeah, so we could talk to you guys and not feel so weird talking to a camera next to everyone over there.
Yeah.
So let's be real here. And so guys, what do you think of these shirts? Look at that. We got a lot of attention today walking around, and people are checking us out. I don't know if anyone added us, but if you did, if you subscribed today, please let us know, because it's pretty cool to see everyone looking.
Yeah.
Just like the lady that just drove by. She was staring at us like, what are they doing? We're YouTubers. So all right, let's we're gonna collect a little more wood, and then let's go explore. Just out here collecting some firewood, and I found this cool butterfly. Check it out. It is alive. I thought it was dead. I think Jaylena's gonna like that. I'm gonna show her in a minute. Jaylena, check this out. Come here.
Where's my phone? I need to Instas.
She's so excited, she has to go get her phone to put it on Instagram. You excited?
What's it doing? Why is it doing that?
Maybe warming up.
Behind the scenes, guys.
So I was collecting this firewood, and I went to go ahead and put some of this stuff down here. And these ashes are still hot. I don't know when the people left before us, but it's still hot. So may not be the smartest thing to leave all these leaves on there. 'Cause man, that's warm. That's definitely warm. So we're gonna be pretty careful with that. But Jaylena's changing right now, and then I swear we're gonna go explore now. But this place is cool. There's big mountains and stuff. So we're gonna go check the river, see if there's any hiking trails. We may even get in the river. I don't know, it's gonna be pretty cold, but I'm excited about it. As y'all know, I get super pumped. Guys, you know how I just told you that this fire is real hot and I need to get the leaves out? This is like 2 minutes later. Told you it's still hot. Glad I took that off. That'd have been not a good thing to come back and it was like that. So now that I got that cleaned out, we changed clothes. Let's go explore. Let's see how this goes. So we just met some super cool people down there by the river, and they may subscribe to our channel. So if you're watching this, hi. But we're back. We're gonna get this fire started, and then we are going to cook up some hot dogs again for the second day, and then maybe relax a little bit. I'm gonna try to get some videos edited so you guys can see what we're doing. So I'm out of breath. It was fun. Let's eat. So we just got up today and we are tired. I fell asleep before I could even finish editing last night. Whoops. So even a later upload than expected. But we moved the tent over here because I needed power to edit because we didn't bring an extension cord. But I woke up. Uh-oh, look at this moth. But woke up and we slept better this time than we did the night before or at a ranch. So we now know you're more comfortable sleeping on wood than rock or sand. Who would have known? So maybe we'll upgrade one day to like an air mattress or some blankets underneath. I don't know. We'll figure this out as we go. It's what happens. But guys, I woke up and look at my lady out here. Look what she's doing.